Testimony resumes about 2.5 hours from now in the South Carolina double murder trial of Alex Murdaugh. He's charged in the June 2021 Colleton County shooting deaths of his wife and younger son. As Riley Benson reports, even one of Murdaugh's close friends says he's a victim of the disgraced lawyer's crimes.
This is a murder trial, not a financial fraud trial. I mean, there's no rational way he would think he'd need to butcher his wife and son to distract.
Alex Murdaugh's financial crimes taking center stage today in his murder trial. State prosecutors aiming to show that Murdaugh was in the weeds financially and how he had no issues with stealing money even from those closest to him.
Shocked, betrayed, mad. I mean, I don't know, numb. I considered him to be one of my best, if not my best friend.
All while taking advantage of those in vulnerable positions.
Did he ever tell you that there had been a recovery for $3.8 million against that?
No.
Did he ever pay you one penny of $3.8 million?
No.
Prosecutors say Murdaugh's financial crimes were on the verge of being discovered as he came under investigation by his own law firm and in the boat crash lawsuit.
Did you ask the defense to, okay, show me the books, prove to me that you're broke?
I did. He has a spigot of money that's running. He's settling cases. He's got big cases. He's got lots of cases. He's got generational wealth. There's no way he's got 1,800 acres in Moselle. He's not broke.
Murdaugh's defense calling the theory irrational, pointing out that Murdaugh's financial situation was not as dire as the state would like it to seem.
And it says the Murdaughs have always paid their loans to the bank, and I do not see that changing. And it says depending on the outcome of the pending lawsuit, they may have to liquidate some assets, but our loans are more than sufficiently collateralized, meaning you've got plenty of security. Is that right?
In 2020, yes, sir.
Painting him as a loving father devastated by the death of his wife and son.
He was distraught over the death of Maggie and Paul, right?
Yeah, yes. I mean,
and at no point in time when you're thinking, I'm afraid he might hurt himself, you weren't thinking he had any involvement in June, July, during this period of time with the murders of Maggie and Paul.
no, sir.
That was Riley Benson reporting. The Murdaugh trial judge will bring court to order at 9:30 this morning. Prosecutors expect to rest their case by Wednesday, followed by defense lawyers presenting their witnesses.